Hi students, we are discussing STLD topics. In the last class we discussed about flip-flops and the types of flip-flops we are discussing. In the previous class SR flip-flop is over. Now we will discuss the next type, the D flip-flop. D flip-flop. This is the circuit diagram or logic diagram. This is the logic diagram of D flip-flop. So if you observe this, D is having one input and two outputs. One input and two outputs. Input is D, outputs are Qn and Qn bar. We know that flip-flop is having two outputs, Qn and Qn bar, both are complement to each other. If you observe this logic diagram, the shaded portion, this shaded portion is our SR flip-flop. Small modification in the SR flip-flop is nothing but D flip-flop. That modification is we are going to add S and R using NOT gate. This is our NOT gate. NOT gate. If you connect S terminal and R terminal with the NOT gate and we take a single input, then that is becoming as a D flip-flop. Okay, this is the basic logic diagram. And come to truth table. In the truth table, we have a clock pulse and D as the inputs, and another input is Qn, present state. Already we discussed that in the sequential circuits, the output depends on the combination of input. Here input is a D as well as previous output. Here previous output is previous state, that is a Qn. That's why we are going to take Qn also as input. This is the previous state or present state, and this is the input D, and clock is also we are going to apply. Here for example, let us assume positive clock. Rising edge means positive clock. In some cases you may take falling edge also, that is a negative clock. If you take positive clock, here one input is nothing but, one input means two combinations. One input is nothing but two combinations. One is 0, another one is 1. Two combinations, one is 0, another one is 1. So here for example D is 0, first input I am taking, first combination D is 0, and let us assume that Qn is 0. Qn may be 0 or 1, first I am taking 0. This 0 comes here, this 0 comes here, and D0 means 0 comes here, and 0 bar, not get here we are using 0 bar means 1. So clock we are applying, so that is nothing but these gates are inactive. 1 bar is nothing but 0 here. Again here we have 0, 0 bar is nothing but 1. Again here we are taking Qn is 0, 0 comes here, 0 and 0, 0 into 0, 0, 0 bar, 1 here, 1 comes to here, again 1 into 1, 1, 1 bar, 0. The next state, the Qn plus 1 is 0, 0. And in the same manner, for example, my input is 0, same 0. For example, my Qn, prior state, let us assume as 1. Let us assume as 1. Previously we have taken 0. It may be 0 or 1, that's why again we are checking for 1. 1 come here, again 1 come here. Already we are getting 0. 0 into 1, 0, 0 bar, 1. Okay, 1 we are getting. Again 1 here. 1 into 1, 1, 1 bar, again 0. So we are getting 0. This is one way to observe outputs for all combinations. And another way is, for example, D is 0 I am taking, D is 0 I am taking, D0, nothing but here we are connecting S and R with a NOT gate, that's why S is equal to 0. D0 means S0 and R is connecting with a NOT gate, that's why R becoming as 1. If S is 0, R is 1, what is the corresponding output? If you observe the truth table of SR flip-flop, if you observe the truth table of SR flip-flop, for 0, 1, S is 0, R is 1, S is 0, R is 1. What is the corresponding output? Reset. Reset means 0, 0. Whatever it may be the present state, that is Qn, whatever it may be the Qn, you will get 0 as the output, 0 as the output. Whatever it may be the present state, it may be 0 or 1. For D0, we are getting output Qn plus 1 as 0, 0. This is one input. In the same manner, let us take another combination. For example, D is equal to 1. D is equal to 1, and let us assume Qn is equal to 0. Qn is equal to 0. Qn is 0 comes here. Qn 0 comes here. Again, S is D is 1. 1 bar 0 here. Again, this 1 means S is 1 here. So 1 bar 0 and 0 bar 1. 0 into 1, 0, 0 bar 1 will get, again 1 here, 1 into 0, 0, 0 bar 1. The next state will be 1. This is one way. And come to another way. So for example, D is equal to 1, D is equal to 1, S is equal to 1, and R is equal to 0. Why? Because we have NOT gate. S1 R0 from the SR truth table. S1 R0, S1 R0. What is the corresponding Qn plus 1? Set. Set means 1. Set means 1. If D is equal to 1, whatever it may be the prior state, it may be Qn is 0 or 1, output is 1. Output is 1. That is a D flip flop. In D flip flop, whatever we will give as the input, that we will get as the output. That means there is some delay, but we are getting the same input as the output. So that may be written as D and Qn plus 1. D, for example, D is 0, output is 0. D is 1, next state Qn plus 1 is 1. This is the truth table for D flip flop. Truth table for D flip flop. If D is 0, Qn plus 1 is 0. D is 1, Qn plus 1 is 1. There is no change in the input, whatever it may be the prior state. That is nothing but delay flip flop. Then it may be the block diagram is like this. So this is already we know SR flip flop. The S and R may be connecting with the NOT gate. We will get the corresponding D flip flop. This diagram or this diagram, you may connect anyone. This is SR flip flop. SR, the shaded portion is SR flip flop. You may write like this also. This one or this one, both are same. You may write anyone. So here for reference purpose, I wrote SR truth table. Actually no need. If you remember these combinations, 0 0 no change, 0 1 reset, 1 0 set, 1 1 indeterminate state, you can write directly. Then the block diagram of D flip flop is like this. So one block we are going to take input, that is a D, clock, and Qn and Qn bar. This is the D flip flop, block diagram and truth table. These two are our final outputs. This is D flip flop. Take this one as a screenshot. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the coming classes.